With Black Friday around the corner, it's important that we're cautious and also exercise self-discipline over this period to avoid getting into financial woes. Here's some tips to follow. 1, plan your budget in advance and be honest with yourself about what you can afford. 2, do your research ahead of time and understand the full cost of the goods that you want to buy. Then compare on Black Friday to see if you're getting a really good discounted deal. 3, don't use debt to buy goods. Debt incurs interest, and so this could potentially increase the cost of those goods. 4, if you're tapping into long-term savings or emergency savings funds, it perhaps suggests that you cannot afford to be shopping this Black Friday. We're often lured by the excitement and the appealing marketing around Black Friday and tempted to buy goods we may not need. It's important that we understand what it is that we need and stick to the budget and the plan.